Welcome to our guide on making money with Jasper AI in 2025. In this video, we'll explore how to build a successful passive income blog from scratch. But first, let's cover the basics. Blogging allows you to share your passion while earning passive income through various channels. This is where Jasper AI comes in. With the power of AI, you can streamline your content creation process, saving you time and effort. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your blog from scratch. Choosing the right niche is crucial. We'll help you find profitable topics that resonate with your audience. Using Jasper AI, you can create high-quality, SEO-optimized content that attracts traffic and engages readers. Now, let's talk about how you can monetize your blog. We'll explore ads, affiliate marketing, and creating digital products. Promotion is key. Learn how to leverage social media and SEO techniques to get your blog the attention it deserves. Analyzing your blog's performance using analytics can help you make data-driven decisions for improvement. Lastly, future-proof your blog by adapting to trends and changes in AI technology. Stay ahead of the curve.